On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.
What's going on, gang? Mad love to every single one of you. Happy Friday. What's going on, guys? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter Gang. And shout out to this pimple. Oh, my God. I didn't know I was going to be Rudolph this morning. I didn't know. You know, sometimes you wake up and it's just a surprise. Sometimes the hair is vertical. Sometimes the ear wax is coming out. No, I'm joking. That I don't think that's ever happened. But I definitely woke up to lead Santa's reindeer to the promised land this morning. We woke up, and I guess I was nominated as the man with the shiny red nose to lead all the otters to otter victory in the promised land of Christmas. Christmas came early for Alexo Crypto, and geez, what is this stuff? Don't they know I work in the adult film industry? What's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Bitcoin, look at a bounce from here. Look at this move. Are we going to get long? Are we going to get long? That is always the question. Are we going to get long, right? Because this thing is going to outer space. Dang, it popped down and we didn't press buy. What's going on, everybody? Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting the channel. Looking for a little bit of a swing down lower. We'll see. We're bouncing off a key trend line right now. Zooming out a little bit here. Oh, 200 coming up on the 15. This might be the bounce that we should have taken. I don't know if I'm going to jump into a long yet. It's early, man. I don't know if we should risk it for the biscuit. Let me know if we should get long on this thing, because you guys know better than I do. I'm just here to try and help you guys. But nice swing down into here. Not convinced yet. I'm not convinced. Let's say good morning, because that's what we do here. We say good morning. We might jump into this long. I want to see another SFP down below. We'll see if we do get it. Let's jump on the degenerate time frames here. Let's go into our 3 minute. Let's quickly look at this just so we don't miss. Coming up to VWAP. You see, we're not above VWAP. Yeah, sweep down, bullish divergence here, 3 minute. Oh, maybe we take a little bite. Maybe we take a bite. I'm not sure yet. You see, this is the problem with the move. You either get it now or you don't get it ever, right? So, I would like to see this break to the upside first, but Bitcoin doesn't want to give us those trades. Doesn't want to give us those trades. We should have gotten long here. Of course, we should have, could have, would have, didn't, but we'll wait. We'll wait. We'll see how price action materializes. Let's be very, very, very clear. The bear divs are not divving, okay? Anytime you're getting a bearish divergence on your price action, it is not divving. Let's just face that. Let's just all acknowledge that bear divs do not exist anymore, okay? Even like on a higher term time frame, we go like to 30-minute, and we look at this thing over here, we get bearish divergence very clearly, okay? And they're not divving. They're not divving, okay? Let's just clear the air here. There's no such thing as a bearish divergence anymore, just so that you guys are aware, okay? Even though we had a key level and it came up to that key level and it did a bearish divergence, it didn't divert. It came down like a measly like 1% rather than, you know, what we really deserve, right? If we're taking that short. That's one thing I want to acknowledge. The other thing I wanted to acknowledge is that you guys are amazing. And let's say good morning to everybody. Thank you guys so much for being here. Make sure that you are saying good morning or I'll be very upset with you because it is Friday, dress down Friday. Maybe we should have worn a Donald Trump shirt or something like that, but that's okay. Let's say good morning to you guys. Thank you guys so much for being here, supporting the channel. Mad love to every single one of you guys. We already got almost 100 people in here. How is trading going this week? Hard, easy peasy. Other, let me know how your trading's going as well. Would love to hear, and then we can continue through all of this. Everybody who said good morning early on, thank you. It's typically Jeffrey, Massey, and IKO. What's going on? Good morning. This is why we didn't get long here. We're still waiting. Lower. Come on, babe. I'm on my second coffee. Obviously, it's Friday. Newborn child not letting me sleep last night. So, you know, we're here. We're here. Alexander G, what's going on? The best mod in town, as they say. Let's see some Alexander G's in the chat. If you don't have the YouTube membership, just get the Discord membership. You're gonna make money rather than pay money. Okay, it's okay if you don't have the YouTube membership. All I ask is that you put in some otters, right? You got to put the otters anytime you see me. That shows respect and love, you know. And you know we're all about love and respect here. At the Otter Gang. IKO, let's go, man. Good morning to you. Alexander G, good to see you as well. Hopefully you have a safe drive into work. We do appreciate you. Clay the Great and French Toaster, man, you guys are early this morning. You guys normally, you know, probably go get a coffee, you know, do that morning number 2, all that kind of stuff. And you guys are here and ready. I love it. This is trickling out right now. Yeah, I'm not a fan of this price action here. You can see the exhaustion at the highs in here, so it's not something I'm looking to try and get. It's just this trend line, this nice trend line, okay? You know what? I very rarely just trade a trend line, okay? I need confluence within it, but you can see as we proceed to give you what you need, we continue to push upwards and onwards. Here we're coming right back to that trend line now, and it's suggesting that we should get long, but we're not gonna. Okay, we're gonna be patient. We're gonna let the price come to us. Everything is pointing down, okay? We have big order blocks below us. We can sweep the high up here, but the shorts look more favorable, but, you know, up only, right? Donald Trumpian kind of narrative right now. So make sure you guys are saying good morning, Lord Otter and the rest of the Otter Kingdom. Lord Otter and King Beaver. That is the best pronoun known to man. Thank you so much for acknowledging Lord Otter. Paul Caruso, good morning to you. God bless you, man. Thank you for being here. Clay the Great, good to see you. Forget about it. Let's get after it relentlessly. My man, what's going on? What's going on, brother? Good to see you. Jeffrey, good to see you as well. Happy Friday, Ozers. Quazim, good morning to you three. Welcome in the place to be, which is Alex Crypto in the morning. Let's get it. Hopefully I can bring some joy, some smiles to your day, some money your way. All that good stuff. Good morning. Quote of the day. Strange time. We're living in panic and hysteria. Poor man learn. The rich man don't care for you. Ren. I think that Ren song is pretty cool. Pretty wild. Thank you for being here, Jim. Asan. Good morning to you, Mr. Asan. Well, if I'm Mr. Alex, then you're Mr. Asan. Good morning to you, man. Hopefully you're having a wonderful morning. G Corp, yo, what's going on, brother? Good to see you as well. WF Motivation, staying motivated on a Friday. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Good morning to all you absolutely, utterly degen legendary friends. Okay. I appreciate you guys being here. Make sure you guys are saying good morning. Look at this price action right now. Just trickling down. Doesn't know what to do. We have some other things popping off, like injectives popping off right now. Ethereum looking strong. It's wild. It's wild. It's wild. DI Friday mornings. Hell yeah. Let's go. Let's go. I mean, I'll try to bring the energy as I always do. That's how we roll here, and we try to make the trades and make the money. John Woods, good morning to you. Welcome to the stream. Tony Soprano, what's going on? Amica mia, my man, what's going on? Good to see you, brother. Mad love to Tony Soprano. He's a day one mofo, you know? Respect his authority. The bird next door. What's going on, man? Afternoon to you, man. Where are you from, bird next door? Would love to know, man. Good afternoon to you. Maybe he's in the UK. Okay, SXEI. Good morning. Good morning to you. Hopefully you're having a great day. Personal life experiences. Come on, Alex. Good morning. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Darren does things. Just gonna grab a coffee. Good morning to you, brother. Hopefully you're having a good one. Another day one, mofo. Mad love to you. DDT in the chat. Aaron, good morning to you. Maureen, good morning. Good to see you as well. Michael, good morning. Ha ha. Pizza face Alex. I know. I'm Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, man. Like, I can't help it. I woke up with a nose that is going to lead the way for Santa. Look at this thing, man. Look at this thing. Look at it. Oh, my God. It's going to be a red day. It's going to be a red. You guys don't want to see my nose. Come on. I need to shave, too. I don't shave. Come on. I trim. I'm a trimmer. Okay? I'm a trimmer. I'm going to shrink my nose as much as maybe I'll be I'm going to be this small today, okay? Oh my God. Puberty sucks. That's State Digital. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Pizza face. I love it. I love it. You got to be able to laugh, man. You got to be able. Remember how devastating a pimple was in high school? You'd like put toothpaste on it. You get your mom's makeup because you really liked that girl. Remember those days and you really cared? Now it's just like, man, I look like shit, but I'm still going to go to work. That's it, man. It's so true. Okay, double bottom here. Oof. Double bottom, bullish divergence. Sorry, this is looking juicy. 1 second, let's zoom in here. We got an order block down below here. We got some liquidity down below here as well. Coming in, breaking structure to the downside. Can we take this low? Let's see if we do get it. Oh, man. Okay, lower low, higher high. Bull div here. Sweep of the lows here. 1 minute. Let's go into the 1 minute. Yeah. Put in a little bit of lower low and a bounce. That would be nice. Ugh. Oh, man. The thing is, everybody wanting to long this bish. Okay, everybody wanting to long this right now. It's a hairy situation. Okay, we're not trying to purge. We don't want to. You know, we would like to go on a break of structure, but the thing is, when it breaks the structure to the upside, it's just like bye. It's gone. It's gone. So it's like, how do you get onto this ride? Right? You break the structure and then you're gone. Okay. So very cautious here. Trying to hold this trend line. We'll see if we do hold this trend line. I am not in a trade as of yet. Okay. Patience will prevail. Okay. The pizza face is in the house. Jay Becker, good morning to you. Good to see you as well. Look at it. I see a super chat down there. Let's go and say hello to my man, Tradefly, the man, the myth, the legend, my twinsy, my brother, man. Good to see you, bro. Did you play golf? I heard you were playing golf, man. Kind of jealous. It's a bit chilly in Canada. We're going to have to go indoors now. Good to see you, brother. Mad love to you. Mad love to you. This is my favorite. This is one of my favorite. I can't say my number one, but I think he knows. I love you, bro. Hope you're doing well, bro. Good to see you. Thank you for dropping by. My man, Tradefly, in the house. Okay, let's zoom up here. Oh my God! Now you have to sing Rudolph the Red-Nosed DMX style. Stop, drop, shut 'em down. Open up your nose. Yeah. You just gotta sound constipated and angry. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Yeah, had a very shiny nose. Okay, there. That's it. See, I'll do that for Tony. Boom, boom. Wu-Tang Clan, man. Boom, 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 boom. Let's go. Let's go. Good morning, Buck. Good to see you. Frank Fit for Life Crypto. Good morning, Otter Gang. Trump the Bitcoin long. I'd like to long this right now. It looks a little bit juicy. I'm really, really tempted. Hot and tempted. But I would love to see a swing down into here. This low right here. Ooh, come down to here. Take this low. That's the one I want to take. That's the one. Now, will it give it to me? We'll have to see. We'll have to see. We do have the lows over here as well, but this is a low. This one right here, this one to me is the one that's speaking to me. This one, if you're a dog whisperer, this would be the one that's, right? You got 1, 2, 3 here, but to me, I don't know if we come for the liquidity grab down in here. If we do something like, I don't know if this trend line breaks, we're looking for the short, right? We're humping up here, right? We're looking for the breakdown retest coming back down for all this goodies down below, right? Santa's sleigh full of gold and juicy money, right? But if this thing's up only, they're not going to give us that, right? They're not. Let's just face it. The bear divs aren't divin. Let me tell you this again. The bear divs aren't divin, okay? The bear divs aren't divin, okay? So what do? We adjust, right? We're trading an uptrend, right? The thing is, like, get on your EMAs, right? Get on your EMAs. Get on some sort of, moving average indicator. Look to take advantage of retracements and bounces. That's the environment that we're in, okay? You need to be able to identify the difference between a range and a trend. Okay, right now we are trending, okay? And an aggressive trend, to say the least, with a lot of volatility. You can see the wicks on all the candles, okay? Very, very aggressive, so we need to be as safe and prepared as possible, okay? That's why I'm Rudolph this morning. I'm here to show you the way, okay? That's why we're working together. Politics are in charge. That's it. Speculation. Bass Crouton, gang. Good morning. Love to you all. Good morning. John Tringale. I wanted to say triangle. Good morning, John. Good to see you, man. Crypto Mike, good morning to you. Michael, hey, gang. What's going on? Bass Crouton, been short since 76.6. Amazing. Trump of a morning. Let's go. Drip OG. OG's dripping. Good to see you, man. Tamale, good morning. Have yourselves a beautiful day. Let's go. Lotmo Crypto. What's going on? Dave Digital in the chat. Of course, Dave Digital, the man, the myth, the legend, the Dave Digital. Massey, good morning. Buck, Maureen, Crypto Mike, Tamale. Let's get it after Frank Fit for Life Crypto. The Discord is worth every penny, says Frank Fit for Life Crypto. I mean, I totally agree with you. I guess that's a plug for the Discord. I mean, I don't need to plug it, but I'll plug it. Let's go. Today we'll have a live stream at 12:15. Okay, so we'll do a in-person Discord. But I mean, look, Thesis giving you short trade setups. I mean, Brewberry has given you all the goody goods. I mean, absolutely slaying everything. Like all the trades in the world. This guy is absolutely on fire. Now, Brewberry is just an incredible person too. That's the thing is, and then Kyle with the Ethereum trades. My God, this guy, we longed the bottom. We longed the bottom. Let's just remind everybody we longed the bottom, okay, of Ethereum at 2,400. If you want to be in an Ethereum long at the bottom for $20 a month, I mean, if you can't make money off of something like this, right? If you can't make money off of this long, I mean, hallelujah. It's up 21%, baby. Let's go. Let's go. An amazing Discord, man. I mean, all we did, okay, all we did with this Discord is do it for free for 2 years, really got good at trading, built a bunch of good people, hung out with everybody, and now it's just fire. It's an absolute cultivation of absolute kindness and fire, and that's what it's built on. You know, it's not this Discord is saying man, you suck, you're wrong, you can't, you won't, you're shit, you're over leveraged. It's like, hey man, how can we help? That's why it's so fire, man. It's nothing to do with anything besides the people that are in it who make it amazing, right? You get your chart for the day, you get all your ideas, all your setups. You know, I will let you know when I enter longs and stuff like that. Recently, I have not been able to give proper signals because it's been so quick, but you get everything. You get an amazing group of people, and there's a great free section too if you just want to come and hang out and test the waters. Okay, there's the Discord plug. We'll probably do another one later, but you know, that's where it's at, man. That's where it's at. Let's continue to say hello to everyone. Thank you, Frank Fit for Life, man. Sup, homies, and my hero. What's going on? I love a good poop during the Alex O Crypto show. That's okay, man. Everybody's got to have their morning poop. That's natural, man. You know, it's good to be regular, Dave. It's good to be regular. You know those steak and egg stuff, man. So you probably need to poop, man, and that's normal behavior. I always try to make sure I drop the deuce before the stream. That's the role, and sometimes it doesn't happen, and the coffee runs right through me. And you guys know I just run. I gotta go, and you guys laugh. Okay, so it's always a fun time. Who does something? Good morning from Argentina. Hola, ¿cómo estás, bitches? What's going on, man? Good morning from Argentina. Hopefully you're doing well. Everybody's just like, Viva Messi. We love Messi. Argentina. I worked with a guy from Argentina. Great people, man. Buck, good morning. Yo, Matt Eagle. What's going on, man? Lurking on one device and being social on this one. Let's go, Matt. Mad love to you, bro. Thank you for being here, bro. Mad love to you. BAFSR. Good morning from the mountains from Peru. We are definitely going, me and the wife and our son now are going to definitely do Machu Picchu. So watch out. We love climbing mountains, man. My wife and I have climbed actually 5 mountains so far, I think. Like, and I'm not talking like no namby-pamby little mountains. I'm talking Ben Nevis. I'm talking Mount Robson. I'm talking Mount Edith, okay? Let's look at Mount Robson, okay? Have you ever looked at Mount Robson? Okay, it's not okay. I got this picture. Okay, 14-hour day hike. Okay, a 14. Don't think I'm some namby pamby who can't hike, man. This is the hike of probably my life, man. This was amazing. Mount Robson, the tallest mountain in all of Canada. Okay, this thing you're pulling up on this thing in your car. This is Emperor Falls, and this is the peak right here. Let's show you. I stood underneath this waterfall, okay? Here you go. This was absolutely incredible. I don't know if you guys can see. Oh, that's blurry. I have to get a better one. Absolutely monster, man. Climbed all the way up further than this, all the way to this area right here, which is Berg Lake, it's called. I do not look as hot as this lady, so I apologize, but this is where we climbed to. Woo-wee. Amazing. Anyways, this thing's breaking out, man. Pushing up, breaking structure to the upside. Bitcoin trying to hold this support level. Faking everybody out. Will it continue? Coming up to this trend line here? Maybe this is a breakout retest down here. Nothing as of yet, in my opinion. Just waiting here. We're getting a little bit of bull divs, but no trade as of yet. But Google Mount Robson. What an absolute trip that was. All the way up the mountains. Incredible. Let me know if you've ever climbed a mountain. I would love to know. It feels good. Gas is cheap. Groceries are back to normal. All the wars stopped. No more inflation. America is great again. Let's go. Salute. La familia, what's going on? Good to see you, Markel. My man. Good morning, sir. What, too soon? Obviously, Dave. Coral, what do you think about ZIL? Price has not stopped yet. Well, then jump on the bandwagon. I'm not sure about your ZIL. Matt Eagle, my nose is the same. So I guess we're both leading the way. We're both at the front of the sleigh. We're both eating the snow in the face, and we'll be all right because we got the big ass nose. We'll be good. From Manchester, let's go. Awesome, man. Awesome. Northerner. He's a northerner. Nah. I mean, I lived up in Edinburgh, so I lived more north than you did, for a year. I loved Scotland, man. Scotland was cool. At least you're not a Liverpudlian, right? At least you're not a Pudlian. They talk like this. They literally have like this high pitch. Like I worked with a couple Pudlians. They're hilarious, man. You cannot beat the banter of the UK though. The UK has the best bants around, man. Wick's wife, what's going on? Good morning to you. Father time, what's going on? Otter gang. Ricardo, God candle galore. I know it's like 17% God candle. It's absolutely is it 17%? It's like $7,000. The God candle. If we're going like on a daily, look at this thing. From 69 or the weekly. I think it's the weekly God candle. That's the one. Look at this thing. You can't measure. You need a meter stick to measure this big green dildo. Okay, 68. Look at this thing. 10, 11%, all the way up. 68 to 76. Incredible. Absolutely beautiful God candle breaking us out, okay? We all would have loved to long the bottom. That's why you would have been in the Discord. Okay. It's too easy. Sorry. Did I create more FOMO? We're going to check the poll as we proceed to give you what you need. This thing is looking like it's breaking down. Look at the scam wicks, man. Let's be very cautious on this Friday, okay? Very, very cautious. I'm not sure where we are right now, but welcome to Alex Crypto TA and Skincare Stream. Do you know you're supposed to use beef tallow for your skin? Okay, so I'm going to get some steaks tonight. Al Jr., finally, I'm here. Good morning, Otter gang. My dogs didn't want to poop, but here we Okay, man. Let's go, man. Chadswick Racing, personal life experience. Let's go. In My Hero, Bass Crouton, Trade Fly. Yes, sir. Palm Springs, beautiful, bro. Get out there, man. Smash some balls. Always a good time. Drip OG, good to see you as well. Hero, Jeffrey Stone, Cypher. What's going on? Tony Soprano, here DMX doing it. I don't know. You can hear some strange voices. Good morning to you, Michael. French Toaster. We're trying to get through some of these. JD good, from Deutschland. What's going on, man? John Triangle. We're calling you Triangle. I'm sorry. We got to go with Triangle, man. Tringali. It's a Tringali, okay? It's an Italian, okay? Don't, amica mia. Don't mess around with the name. I know. Sorry, Mr. Tringali. Okay? Apologies. Mark Dutch, what's going on, man? Good to see you. Frank, what if I only trade spot? Then that's great, man. That's great, bro. It's a good place to start to kind of get used to the emotions of up and down and some drawdown and all that kind of stuff. And that's the one, man. That's the one. Looks like we're getting another push to the upside, man. This thing is still fighting for this support level here. Not something I'm trying to long just yet. I think this can easily just swoop down, right? Swoop. It can push, but it can swoop down. Okay, so we need to be very careful of that. Good morning, Dean. Good morning to you. Darren does things in the chat as usual. Massey, make sure you guys are saying good morning, man. I would love to see good mornings from all of you guys. We try to say good morning to everybody, man. How you all doing? How you doing? Nuts out for Peanut. Let's go. So he's got the nuts out for Peanut. Formerly Lasers. Good morning to you, man. He changed his name. Creep. Good morning to you. Lloyd Rogers, Spencer, gang. Good to see you, man. How you doing? Frodo, good to see you. In My Hero, what's going on? NW Wick's wife, what's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful morning. It is Friday. Tito, what's going on, man? Little Fish, good morning to you. Good morning to you. Retro Mike Tech in the chat. Arpad, good morning to you. All these absolute legends. Aaron Satoshi Nakamoto's in the chat. What's going on? Crypto Michael. What's going on? Dave Digital. Alex this is a secret weapon trade. 12-minute deviation far from the VWAP, just back to the VWAP. Now we'll see what happens. Okay, good. Awesome. Good morning. Good morning, Crypto Rob, Meme TV. Good morning. Are we in the longs, Alex? Not yet. We're looking for the long. Good morning, Harp. Good morning to all you guys. Good morning, D Oz, Otter Gang. Let's see some otters in the chat and let's jump into this price action. So currently we're waiting for a swing down below. I'm looking for the long right around 75,700. We'll see if we do roll over a little bit right now. Okay, a little bit of patience. The bear divs aren't diving. I think that's the story of the week. Okay, so looking at this, We got the bear divs coming in over here. And as you can see, they did not div. Okay, they pushed down. They came back for some more liquidity. Now there's a giant order block underneath us. Let's not get it twisted. And we are in an aggressive uptrend, right? So if we do break down today, right, we could look for this, right? And that would be a good sweep. Okay, so let's be patient here because we are kind of like in a make or break area where we want to see strength come into the markets. So today, right, we want to see this. Really, we want to see this pop off and continue to make highs and more highs and continue to make highs, but we don't want to be caught with our pants down, right? We want to be managing our risk properly and really taking advantage of this. We're below VWAP right now. If we do pop VWAP, we could be looking for a potential long right now. Not something I'm looking for, right? Just waiting here. I want to see strengths in this, and then we'll jump on the bandwagon if we're given the opportunity. We'll look to press buy here. This thing, every morning it's kind of coiled and then popped, right? Coiled and popped. If we're looking at like a 30-minute here, right? This was the morning, I guess, Asia session and London session. And then we can look over here. Same thing over here and same thing over here, right? So very much a coiling and a pop, a coiling and a pop. So are we going to get a coiling and a pop? That's what I can see. Doesn't mean necessarily that that's going to happen, okay? So looking at this going into New York, man, this is saying long me, baby. This is saying long me. Long me. Well, we might have to jump in here. We might have to. Oh, man. It's just so risky, isn't it? We're looking for a retest back at VWAP. Come on, Bitcoin. Rejection here. Yeah. Pushing through VWAP. Pushing through VWAP. Coming back. Come back. We can be cheap here. Come on back. It's not going to come back, is it? It never does. Not in this market. We got volume coming in. A little bit, not much. Pushing up. Come on back. Don't be like that. We're not FOMOing. No FOMOing. I see you FOMOing in at the top. I see you. I can smell it through the microphone. I do have scent through this thing. Imagine you could send like, dude, take a whiff of this fart. I'm sorry. I went too far again. I always go too far, don't I? Maybe like you cooked a nice dinner or something. Here, smell my coffee. They're going to have smells and shit like that in the future. You're going to be wearing like a full-on mask. You can smell the aroma. It's going to be messed up, man. Gonna be 20 years from now, it's gonna be messed up. All us like people who are born in like the 80s, the 70s, 80s, and 90s, we're all gonna be like, this shit's crazy, man. Look at this. You could smell. Anyways, I'm not going there. I'm not going down that road. It's dangerous. It's dangerous and it's cheesy. Oh man. There is no top. I wonder what FOMO smells like. Dang it. Look at this thing. It's going, man. It's going. Come back. Retest previous highs now. We're looking for this now. My God, this thing just keeps getting more riskier and riskier and riskier. Risking it for the biscuit, man. Ooh-wee. We're already up 0.5%. Are we going to mitigate these highs up here? Oh, man. Look at the strength in this candle, baby. Is it coming back just to grab liquidity? Is this a fake out this morning? That is the question. Are we going to get long or are we going to get short? My God, Bitcoin doesn't want to stop. It can't stop. It won't stop. It's coming for the liquidity above us here at the highs. We'll see if it does continue up here. Looking for the retest back down into the price action. Ooh, come on, Bitcoin, come down a bit. Come on, Bitcoin, come down a bit. 76,000. No? Don't want to give me 76,000? You want to give me 76,000? 76,060? A little bit? I'll give you a little bit more. No? You're not going to let me get long? My God, they're watching the stream. They're not listening to us, guys. We'll go 70,069 just for the Bitcoin price action, baby. Let's go 69. You got it. Retest. Retest into the 69 area. No FOMO. No FOMO. I can smell your FOMO. Remember, I got the smelling microphone here. I can smell the FOMO in the chat here. I can smell it. You guys are, yeah, send it. Send it. You guys are long. Put a 1 in the chat if you guys are long. Let me know if you guys are long. Good morning to every single one of you. Absolute, super duper legendary, utterly degenerate people who are pressing market buy right now. I see you. I see you. I can see it. I see it to believe it, baby. I see it to believe it. How was your trading week this week? Let me know how your trading week was in the chat. Some of you guys are long. Some of you guys are not long. Okay. We're going into market open. It is early. Let's face it. It is still early. It isn't market open yet. And you guys are already pressing buy. You guys are already pressing buy, man. You degenerate, beautiful people. I love you. Look at all these longs. Been long since 2800. What? What? You've been long since like 2009. Oh, that's so funny. That's so funny. It's coming back to wreck you, by the way. Oh man, did we top down? You guys are funny, man. You guys are funny. How are you guys? You guys are all long right now? Where? Off of here? Nah, man. We look for the VWAP retest, if anything. VWAP retest. Let's not be degenerate. Looking at 76.33. Man, it's just going to run away from us, isn't it? Should we ladder in? Should we just like half position size right now? Is that what we should do? Nah, man. I can't justify it. I can't justify it. I can't. I'm sorry. I can't. I can't lead people down this road where this thing comes back and goes, ha ha, tough. You got long with Alexo Crypto. You suck. It's not. It's not how I can't justify doing it to people, man. You got to trade a plan. You got to trade the price action, right? This thing is looking strong. Looking strong. You know I want to long it so bad right now, but I'm not gonna because it's not in the plan. It's not. Can you take a look at grass? Yeah, absolutely. We did look at grass yesterday. We gave 2 trade setups, okay? Look at this one. This was a retest trade setup and the other trade setup, okay? So I gave 2 trade setups on grass. It took off, and that's all I got for grass, okay? Right now we're trying to trade Bitcoin, but grass right now is up only, okay? But I did give this trade on grass the other day. It is absolutely up 40%, so that's crazy. That's crazy. Don't be smoking it, don't be smoking it, just be stroking it or something. I don't know what to say about that. Sorry about your grass, man. You probably missed the boat on that one. I wouldn't be trying to trade that at all. It's done here. It's done. I don't know. We're mitigating the highs here, so we can look for a retest after we take these highs. But it's absolutely steamrolling up. I would like to be patient. I like to be patient in here. Been laddering already. Okay, laddering in. Ada's going to break out soon. Awesome. Yeah, Ada's. No comment on ADA. I sold my ADA and swapped it for Sui. And my Sui bags are up like 50%. So I'm not going to complain about that either. Both of them doing all right. We got bags. We just chilling. What are you guys trading? Been laddering already. It's done here. No FOMO. No FOMO. Stick to the plan. I agree. Father Time, Soprano. Can you take a look at grass? So, yeah, grass right now is just, ripping to the upside. So for me, very simply, you're you're going to draw something like this and you're going to look for a return to previous highs. That's exactly how I was able to give these trade setups in the teaching community that I work in. So for me, it's the same thing, right? So you mark out your highs, right? You mark out your highs, you look for retest back into these highs, and you look for continuation. That's as simple as I can put it. Bitcoin's absolutely leaving the building. It's ready to go. FOMO in at the top. I see you guys all FOMOing in. I see it. I can see it. I can smell it. Okay? No, I will not. I will not fall victim to you guys making me feel the FOMO this morning. 232 people in here, only 72 likes, guys. For a Friday, you can't throw a friend some love here in the chat and smash those like buttons so we get more people in here. Come on, man. Come on. What did I do? Oh, man, you feeling the FOMO. My God, look at this thing. Doesn't give a shit. Shiitake mushroom. Doesn't give a shiitake mushroom. Now we look for a retest of previous highs. This has to come up higher now. Poor risk management situation here. Poor risk management situation. We've mitigated that high. Now I'm looking for a retrace back in. My God. Nice push up here for Bitcoin. Okay, we got the bull div in here. Could have taken the long. Trap below VWAP though, man. It's a risky situation. You're risking it for the biscuit. I'm still looking for something like this. No trade as of yet. Thank you everybody for being here. And now the likes look a lot better, man. You guys are doing better. Thank you. Just press back on your phone and press the like button, man. It helps. It helps a lot. We're a new channel trying to get to 5,000 subscribers. If we get to 10,000 subscribers, Mrs. Otter said I can shave my beard for you guys. So 10,000 by January. My goal is 5,000 by January. But if we get to 10,000 by January, I will shave my beard. I haven't shaved my beard in 6 years. Fully. Full shave. Down to the bones, okay? Down to the bones. And you guys might unsub after that because you'll be like, what am I doing trading with like a 4-year-old? Oh, man, that would be funny. I don't think if we're going to get... I liked twice, brother. Thanks, Eagle. I appreciate you, bro. Smash those like East busting out. Let's go. Let's go. A lot of things busting on up. Breaking highs right now, continuing to push because Amy loves us. Yeah, the wife does love you guys. You guys are Danny Kitchen. That's it, man. Thank you, Danny Carey in the chat. We got Danny Carey in the chat. Mad love, bro. Mad love. Was jamming it to some parabola yesterday. Pretty feeling internal. All this pain is an illusion, man. Love some Tool. Yeah, boy. Look at this fucking price action. Sorry. Mind my French. Oh, Scheisenhausen. Okay, now we're looking for a retest of previous highs. It's going to sweep, man. It's going to sweep. Oh, man. Doge might run again. Baby won't like it. Everyone laughing when I was buying grass. Robert Jones, man, you crushed it, bro. You crushed it. You showed the people what was up, man. Congratulations. I love it. I love seeing you win, Robert Jones. Good job, brother. Good job, man. Fashion is pain. Yeah, that's the one. Nice. Pushing the envelope and the gains. That's the one, man. Oh, too good. Maynard just turned 60. That's crazy, man. We love Maynard. I just want to FOMO in, man. This is bad. This is bad FOMO. I got really bad FOMO right now. I got like the itch. You know, the Friday itch. I'm looking to jump in at 76, 120-ish. 120-ish. Up here? I don't know if we'll get it. Where am I supposed to put my stop loss, right? Like, what is this? Degenerate Scheisenhausen. Into market open, man. Then they're going to rug it on everyone's head. They're going to rug it on every... My God. God. Look at this pump, baby. Look at this. Injective flying, okay? Ethereum flying. Look at the long we got on the Discord on Ethereum. My God, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Love it. Solana, Link, even Arbitrum and Celestia. Okay, my God, so many good, beautiful longs. Things are rotating. We can see that. S&P's absolutely flying. Even my stock portfolio is doing really well. It's wild. It's a wild time. You got to own investments. That's the thing. The Dixie's ripping to the upside. Dixie's ripping to the upside. They say that the dollar could be worth $1. The U.S. dollar could be worth $1.60 Canadian in the next 2 years. Fucking hell. I think it's $1.25 right now. So I mean, that's crazy. That's crazy. Wow. Up only Friday pump, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Are we jumping on this train or what? Where's the entry, Alex O Crypto? Well, either you're FOMOing in at the top or you're waiting for the retracement, right? So that's totally up to you. Right now, we could shoot. We could shoot to the moon right now. I'm not saying that we can't. I'm just saying that, I'm not in at all. Okay? I'm waiting down here. We'll see how it goes, okay? This has been, bear divs aren't diving. That's the story of the market right now. Everything is ripping. Okay, Bitcoin doesn't give a rat's bum about anything. It just keeps pushing, right? So I'm waiting for that aggressive retracement to hopefully get long on this thing. We'll see. We'll see. How we all doing today? Hopefully you're having a wonderful trading week. It's been an absolute FOMO fest. Everybody's calling in to send it. Walk away when FOMO awaits. That's the one. That's the one. Local value area high is 76,400. Yeah, we are coming into some resistance in here. Okay, order block above us, all that kind of good stuff. Right? Don't do it. Don't do it. Do it. Just do it. Stop whining. Just do it. Yes, very poor results, Michael. Yes, I have learned my lesson in the past. Okay, that's why I did not jump into this trade. That's why I didn't chase the price. That's why I have set a new trap, waiting for the price to come. Very simple. Okay, looking for a continuation here, getting a little bit overextended on Market Cipher. We didn't do a very top-down analysis on Market Cipher, but right now it's very much just trending. Okay, money's remaining up, slowly creeping out here. Bear divs aren't diving, as you can see. Higher high, lower low. No divs. Continuing to push, consolidate, push, consolidate, push, consolidate, trying to push yet again. Okay, so trying to get on this little bandwagon of a push. We'll see if it does continue here. We got some targets up above that we are looking for. Okay, so we got this new target. Now we gave this target yesterday at 76,800, which was pretty good, but we do have some above us as well that we are looking for continuation. This thing is looking hella strong this morning. Thank you everybody for being here and supporting the channel. I really appreciate it. We're way on our way to 5,000 subscribers, man. It's incredible. Bear divs all across. Money's ramping up. It doesn't give two smacks, okay? Everything here is just trying to continue to push, okay? Money crossing over, even on our 3-hour, our 4-hour, overextended, but still pushing, okay? Still pushing. You can see here, it just remains flat. So momentum is flattening out, which is giving us a bear div, okay? But nonetheless, it doesn't really care. Like it's just ripping, right? It's just ripping. So we're looking for the retest continuations on a lot of these trades, just trying to position ourselves accordingly. The 12-hour still looks bullish, ramping here on our VWAP, looking for continuation. Lots of room on the momentum wave. Looks like we're coming back in here. We're coming back in here. Is it going to come back for everyone? Come on, Bitcoin, come back. Looking to get long if it does come back. Come on. That was quick. That was quick. That was bought up really fast. I didn't get long there. I did not get long there. I should have, could have, didn't. Okay? I should have, could have, didn't get long there. My God. That's crazy, eh? Look how quick that was. Look how quick that was. You got to be like a little bit of toppiness here. A little bit of toppiness. So some hopium for a retrace if we're going to get it. Still looking lower. Still looking lower. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Smashing those like buttons. Say good morning if you are new here. How is your altcoin bag doing? Really well. Huge ass. Huge ass. I love it. I love it. Altcoin bag is doing good, man. Starting to come out of the bottom. I mean, things are looking much better. I've been laddering down since the top. So, and then I bought a lot of my altcoins at the FTX crash. Okay, so this guy's always looking for the perfect entry. That's it, Kick Drum. That's it. There's a responsibility as a streamer to not bullshit people and to actually to trade. Okay, I believe so. Anyways, so that's it. Meme TV, my mind is telling me no. That's the one, man. That's the one, man. That's the one. Look at this thing coming back down. Coming back down to Funky Town. Come on, baby. Retest those previous highs. Ooh-wee. Come on. Come on. A little bit more. All right, I'm in. Let's see if it goes. Come on, Bitcoin. Push it, baby. Push it. Let's see. Let's see. And right here. See, we should have waited. We should have waited. We'll put stop loss just below VWAP. We'll see if we do get that continuation pump here. Ooh-wee. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. Mad love to every single one of you. Kick Drum thinks we need to be perfect. I think so, too, man. I think so, too. Thank you for being here, Kick Drum. Mad love to you, bro. You're always here. I appreciate you. You must be enjoying it anyways. So good to see you, Alexandra G. Post. I thought FOMO was last night. Let's see how it goes. Continuing to push here. Bitcoin looking to rip to the upside. Let's go, Bitcoin. I'm going to take some profits off, probably up over at these highs here. Don't want to be too greedy with any trades, okay? Want to be making sure that we are taking profits along the way. Okay, I'll look at 76 400. Let's say 400 if we do get up there. Okay. Just looking over here. Let's do some left confluence within our range here. Yeah, so up in here. Yeah, 490, 500. If we do continue to push here, okay, looking like it's pretty aggressive. Coming up into these highs here. We're currently in this long. We'll see if it does continue to push. Stop loss below the VWAP. Trying to push up and onward. We'll see if we get there. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Mad love to every single one of you guys. I miss Arnold. Put the cookie down. My friends are asking me how to buy. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. We love that stuff. We love that stuff. Pull flipped cast in market cap. All this right. Let's go, Matic, baby. Let's go. Retro Mike Tech in the chat, man. God bless you, bro. Thank you for being here. My brother from another mother. Thank you for being here. RMT in the place to be, man. Good to see you. How much do you make on that 230 Bitcoin move? $230 Bitcoin move. I'm not sure exactly what you're talking about, Dave, but I would love to answer your question. Lurk, let's go. Airdroppers in the chat. What's going on, bro? Went long on AVAX at 2460. Let's go, Wesley. Hopefully that works out. Holy, check cryptos. It's pumping crazy. Let's go. Take that thing down. Let's go. Let's go. 25,000 plus so far. Yummy, yummy. Let's go, Robert Jones. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. Don't FOMO. What is retrace target? I would like to see this come back up into this order block up top here if we are going to continue our merry way. Okay, we got some liquidity above us here, and then we can reassess. Reassess. Okay, if we do push, right? Right now we've actually, this is still risky, right? We've left a lot down here to be considered. So I'm a little retest see if this pump does want to continue. Okay, if we do push above this high here, I will take some profits off. Not a lot, but a little bit, just to guarantee, a break-even trade. Just to kind of, I don't like as a streamer and as someone who's on here, there is, in my opinion, a responsibility. If a new trader comes on here and just blindly takes trades and doesn't manage their risk, right? I do feel a sense of, responsibility, because I go after this, I go and I'll trade the shit out of this, right? But I don't have to really speak through it. I don't really have to tell people what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, right? I can just freely trade. But when I'm on here and I'm trading and I'm suggesting that I'm getting in and all those things, like, it's not fair to someone who's new, who comes on here and who just presses buy alongside the stream, for me to not tell them to manage the risk, not tell them how to enter, how to exit, all those things, take profits early. I think there's a little bit more leniency when you've been trading for a couple years and your trade style and your risk management and all those things are dialed to the best of your ability, then okay. Like, but not everybody coming in here is like that, right? That's why we only have 2 exchanges that we're sponsored by, but we trust them. We've looked at the reserves, and BingX and BloFin both have good reserves, right? That's why we're not on MEXC. That's why we're not on KSEX and all these random. Trust me, I've gotten invitations from all those bloody exchanges. I don't trust them, right? You can use them, doesn't mean I trust them, right? I started trading on FTX. FTX, obviously, you know what happened there, right? So it's very important to protect the new trader. I think there's a responsibility in crypto. Do you want people to stay in the industry, or do you want people to F off and say this stuff is complete shit, right? What do you want, right? So I think, how do you want people to leave with this space? There's a responsibility after so many bad actors in this space that are just, they've made the industry look like a piece of garbage, right? And that's not what this is about. This is about trying to help people create financial freedom, right? Through being patient, through compounding an account, through working together, having a community of kind people who are willing to help, willing to teach, willing to show what they're doing, right? No secrets, just straight up like, hey man, how can we help you be better? Right? Where are you at? What are we doing to work on this, right? And if you can get involved with us, that's what we strive to do here. It's none of this like get rich fast shit. Okay, it's here to work together and make money. Right? I'm a carpenter. I started as a carpenter, right? And now I'm a full-time trader, right? But it took time, right? And that's what's important, right? How much are you risking? How much is your reward? What are you looking to do? Are you FOMOing it at the top, right? You could have bought up here. Tons of people just bought up here, man. Why do you think it's coming down on us right now, right? And it's okay to take a loss, right? If you're managing your risk and you have a whatever, I would say I have a 70 to 85% win rate depending on what trades I'm taking. If I'm taking all A+ trades, it's a different story, right? But see, you wait for this retest here. We should have waited a little bit longer. I always say patience, 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 right? Should have waited a little bit longer, okay? However, we didn't. We didn't, right? So that's fine. We're a little bit underwater right now. We can look for even a retest to the VWAP, okay? This trend line isn't like a friggin' boulder. It's not going to just stop there if it doesn't want to, right? It's wrecking the bears and the bulls all together, right? We do have a change of structure here. We do have, downtrend, bullish divergence, break to the upside, break a structure, change a character, continuation. That's what we're looking for, right? If we're going to break it down, that's exactly what we're looking for here. And we'll see if we get it, right? We got in a little bit early, but that's okay. What are we looking for here? So we're in a very aggressive uptrend. We are also coming in a range, and every range this week has broken to the upside, okay? So we have momentum on our side. Now we have come down. We have flipped VWAP, which is a bullish sign, aggressive push through VWAP. We always look for continuation, okay? We have a VWAP video in my channel if you're looking for that one, right? As you break structure to the upside, right? You clearly get above here, right? Getting everybody super bullish right here. Now we're waiting for the retest continuation of an uptrend, right? This character has changed from a downtrend to an uptrend by putting in a higher high here. Now we haven't mitigated this high, so more on a macro, we haven't really taken this high where we're looking for a bigger move just yet. So right now this can take a little bit of time. This can easily come back and double bottom and then go. Okay, so we need to be patient here. Market open is still 15 minutes away. Okay, so we're not fully ready for this thing to go, but we'll have to see how it materializes. Okay, so that's something that we are aware of, right? So being cautious here, right? Taking a trade a little bit before market open can be risky at sometimes. Some of you guys got long in here, but I'm sure those who got long this morning in here took profits, okay, or at least, took a little bit off and stop loss to entry or whatever it was, right? So as this works down towards us here, we're not really worried because we know that, I put on a half position size here. I'm risking 150 to make 450 if we get back up here, right? I can add to this trade if I feel like it, bringing my average price down into this area here. But so far, I'm just going to wait. I'd rather just be patient, okay? I'd rather just be patient. As it comes down here, we'll see if VWAP holds. My stop loss is just below here, giving myself a little bit of breathing room with the VWAP if we do just come down and bounce, okay? Managing your position size, right? Managing yourself, right? Really taking inventory of how your trading is going, how to be better, yada, yada, yada. That's all going to come into play when trading, right? But knowing when to cut your losses and jump onto a different trade, right? If you take $100 loss, and then you make a 400, you can have a bunch of losses, but as long as you're capitalizing on your gains, you can have a 40% win rate. But as long as your wins are much greater than your losses, right? You can be super cheap, right? You got to figure out your strategy and what works best for you. And that's going to allow you to have longevity, but also make money, right? We're here to make money. We got to treat it like a business. And that's that, right? We don't need to be overly greedy. We just need to be realistic with ourselves and not, over leverage ourselves or any of those things. And I think that will lead to us, making lots of money. It's a bull run. It's up only. We want to favor longs, but, we want to be managing our risk along the way. The gains will come if we manage properly. That's all I got to say, right? Thank you, everybody, for being here, smashing those like buttons. We got almost 300 people in here this morning. If you are new here, we have an amazing Discord. We would love for you to come and join us. Okay. Where we give trade setup signals. It's $20 a month where you get mad trade setups. We long the bottom of Ethereum. I mean, you get my charts every day. We're doing a live stream today at 12:15. You are also getting trade setups from Thesis, from Kyle, from Brewberry. So you got 4 traders all giving you signals, all giving you ideas, all answering your questions, helping you become an amazing trader. Hopefully we can help you on your trading journey. Would love to see you come over and hang out. And if not, just come over to the free section, man. We all be here helping one another. This place was free for over 2 years, right? So the free section is still very valuable. It's full of active people who are all trying to get better, right? So we'd love to have you come over and hang out with us in the Discord. And if you are new here, please subscribe. We're well on our way to 5,000 subscribers. Thank you guys for being here. I mean, it's been a crazy couple of months, growers, not showers kind of deal. So, I mean, incredible. It's an honor and a privilege to be on here and hang out with you guys. I truly appreciate you guys. And make sure you guys are saying good morning. It's Friday, baby. How was your trading week? Some of you guys said hard, FOMO for real, easy peasy. Let's go for the easy peasies and others. So how was your trading week? Please let me know in the chat. I would love to know. I'm going to end this poll now. Thank you, everybody, for being here and supporting the channel. God bless you guys. Mad love to everybody in here. In Durango, what's going on? Alex Glow Crypto. I got the glowy nose. Isn't that like a 200 going in at TP? What's up, Alex? Good morning. Stay high. How you doing, man? Hope you're doing well. How much do you make on that? Maybe just message me. Dave, I can go over my risk to reward with you, bro. Anytime, bro. We can all in. I wouldn't all in, man. You should be risking 2% of your account, okay? That's what I would suggest, okay? If you are going to risk it, you got to be risking it accordingly, okay? Accordingly. That would be my suggestion, okay? Looking at price action here, coming back to VWAP. Is VWAP going to hold? That's the question right now. Let's see if we do get a hold here on the VWAP. It is looking a little bit strong. We got market open quite soon. We'll see if how that pans out. But market open is in 12 minutes. 12 minutes till market opens. Looking for this thing to bounce. We'll see if it does bounce. Okay. We might have to take an L here, but that's all right if we do. That's all right. We're managing risk. We're not going to be right all the time. I think that's the hardest thing for people to realize is that you need to be. There's a good book on it. It's called Best Loser Wins, okay? Knowing how to take your lumps is part of trading. Definitely, okay? Right? So if you, let's say you get out here, you're wrong, right? You can re-enter here and you could be right and you could take that up to here. You can re-enter here. So there's many options within trading, right? So for me right now, it's like, okay, I could cut my losses here. I could add to the position. So I could drag this down a little bit and risk 300, right? So currently right here, I'm risking about 150 to 180, okay? I could drag this down and risk 300, right? And look for these lows to hold as well and for VWAP to hold, okay? There's options here, but that takes time to understand your options. You still got to make sure you're managing your risk, right? My maximum risk is typically $500. So I know that's like A+ setup. I can go heavy and I can make $1,500 on a quick 1% move. But you got to understand where your risk is, how to manage your risk, what position size you use, what percentage of a trade you're looking to capture, right? And all of that. So that all comes into play. We do have you can find a leverage risk calculator online. We also have one in our Discord. So there's many tools to help you figure this out, because this, it doesn't matter if you're not good at math. You need to make this simple so that you can risk to reward properly and then have a back-tested strategy which works, okay? Which works. That's giving you an edge in the market, okay? If you don't have an edge, you don't have a strategy, you shouldn't be trading. That's first and foremost. You need to go back and back test before you do anything. Right? It doesn't matter about your mindset. It doesn't matter about your ideas or your thoughts or your greed or your fear, your emotions or your FOMO. That shit doesn't matter, because if you're trading without a strategy, you're trading blind. And that's not something I suggest. I suggest you go, you back test, you learn, done. Okay? That's always what I suggest. Okay? I'm going to take this off. If we do get a little bounce here, give me a bounce to take this off. Any bounce? Are we going to get a bounce? Little bounce back up. Okay. Yeah, I'll take that off. Boom. Okay. Little loss there. That's okay. Let's see if we do bounce back up here. We can re-enter. Okay. It's always an option. Look at this thing. Probably going to rip now, of course. Of course. Of course. How we all doing here? I see you do the inverse of my trade. Airdropper. Let's go, man. Are you in a short then, brother? You took the highs here. The bear divs aren't diving, though. Be careful with that one, man. Be careful with that one. Going over here. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the chat. Yeah. Trying to buy back, okay? Aggressive push up, aggressive push down, right? Reckon everybody equally. I might look to jump in again. We'll see. I want to see more confirmation. We got market open coming as well, so let's be cautious here, right? This low has held, so that's a good sign. That's more of like a macro uptrend. Well, not macro, but like a higher term time frame. Okay, higher term time frame uptrend continuing, and typically ascending channels break down. Okay, these typically break down. We want to see flags to the downside. That's for continuation, right? But upwards channels typically break down. We have a lot of levels down below here that we could potentially come back to. So let's be cautious with that. Let's be cautious with that. This is volatile though. This is busy. Sometimes, you wanna lower your leverage, lower your margin, give yourself a little bit more wiggle room and get on the uptrend. And that's always a play. You can, for me, I like to scalp. I like to be in and out of positions, take my 1% move and hallelujah, make my money and I'm done. But some people, just jumping on that trend and riding that thing up, look at this grass trade. I mean, RJ said it the best, woof, he probably got long way back here, Look at this thing, grass, coming back and retesting these lows, okay? This could be your opportunity on grass. I don't know. You tell me. Grass is looking very bullish. This could continue upwards, coming back, grabbing some liquidity, retesting previous highs, looking for a bounce, okay? Another opportunity. So there's tons of opportunities. It's just about managing your risk and staying with a good community. I think that's key, is a good community. What's going on, everybody? Make sure you guys are saying good morning if you are new here. We'd love to say good morning to every single one of you guys. Jeanette, what's going on? Good to see you as well. Lloyd Rogers Spencer, what's going on? Crunk, good morning to you. Benjamin, holy, check cryptos. It's pumping like crazy. Let's go. Let's go. Post, what's going on? Avia, what's going on? Pyth is looking good. Can we all in? No. Dave Digital in Durango, what's going on? Good to see you. Elliot Roach, can you give an example of the paid Discord trade and how it should be used? Absolutely. Do you only use 3 standard deviation patterns? Yes. Coinbase app went from 500 to 110 yesterday. That's wild. That's a sign of a professional. Aiden, what's going on? Is he trading on BingX? I am trading on BingX. Yes, sir. Carl Gate, as a newbie, I appreciate this kind of mentality. Thank you for being here, Carl. Mad love to you, man. Stick with us. Hopefully we can help you. There's lots of videos you can learn from on the channel as well. So hopefully we can help you change that curb. The problem is the noobs are copy trading. So when you make a bad entry or miss an entry, they blame you. Absolutely. Yeah, that's why we do try to take responsibility, and we do try to help people as best as possible. This is looking nice. We got 5 minutes till open. Coming back for this. So remember we said, right? Downtrend, break a structure, change a character, looking for a higher low, continuation, right? So right now we're looking for continuation. We got an anchor trigger wave down here on Market Cipher, looking for continuation. Might take a little stab for continuation. Just waiting. Still waiting. Still like this. I still like this. Taking a little L, just protecting my downside, right? Can always re-enter. I can always re-enter. That's the thing. You got to understand that you might as well cut your losses, take $100 loss, and then you're looking to make what, $900, $500, whatever it is, right? So what's $100 when you can make 500, right? If you're correct the next time. So remember that it's like a 4-to-1, 5-to-1 ratio where you can take 4 losing trades, and you get that one trade that pays for all of them, right? And then if you start doing that more successfully, you start making lots of money, okay? I made 18,000 in Bitcoin yesterday. How should I manage my profits and re-enter compounds my portfolio? So, for trading, I mean, always be depositing some of that. So you have not realized any profits until that's in your bank account. That's how I look at it, right? So get a hot wallet or a cold wallet and put it in the piggy bank, man. That's all I got to say with that. Okay. What can I use in the UK to do this sort of trading, seeing as BloFin and BingX are prohibited in this country? BloFin is so we do have a bunch of people from England who do trade. I'm not sure what exchange they're using though. Maybe some people from the UK want to fill them in. But BloFin does work in the UK. It's non-KYC BloFin, and we do have a link down below if you do want to use that. So you should be able to use BloFin. Good exchange in my opinion. Right, I use it for spot trading mostly and swing trading. Okay, so I'll swing trade on BloFin and then I'll scalp on BingX just because I find BingX has a little bit better liquidity when I'm trying to get like tighter entries and stuff like that. So. But yeah, you can use if you want, you can support the channel by using the link down below. That would be cool. But you should be all right to use BloFin in the UK. Carl Gate, I feel like 100% on the new blindly following someone. Yeah, I've been looking to short this thing down. Can you tell me why I'm wrong for looking for that? You're not wrong at all, LJ. It's just when there is parabolic pumps in Bitcoin and it's up only, the retracements are beautiful. They're beautiful. They're quick. They're aggressive. So if we go back in time, do some share, and if I could turn back time, right? We had this range forever, but when we started this parabolic move here, right? You had your they don't let you get short on this thing. They don't let people re-enter, okay? It's long onlys, then they consolidate and then they rip again, okay? And when they rip again, they don't let you buy in, okay? This is what happens. They don't let you buy in. They give you a little stall out. That was your one opportunity, right? But if you look at history, when Bitcoin rips and you go back and back test this anywhere, this is like your gift wrap for continuation. Besides that, they don't let you get in, right? And this is massive, right? 20% move currently. Where are we at right now, right? So we look at this. We're only at 12% move, right? So is this a stall out, and is this the gift before we go up to our $82,000 target, right? Another, what would that be? Another 8%. Easily done. Easily done. Okay, I'm looking to get in on this. Come on, Bitcoin. Okay. Push, baby. Market's open. S&P flat. S&P flat. Come on, S&P. Push, baby. Push, baby. Let's go. Let's go, Bitcoin. To the moon. To the moon. To the moon, they said. Says Donald Trump. I'm looking to get long here. Okay. Looking to get long. Little entry. Little entry. Let's see if it does push. Push, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Push. Let's go. Let's go. I'm in. Push. Push, 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 push. Pushing. Let's go. Let's go. TP1's up at the highs here at 76,300. Looking at 76,300 for first TP. If we do get up there, I don't know. Right now, it looks like it's doing a little bit of a fake out. We'll see, but I am in this trade. Are we going to take another L? That is the question. Just below this low here. Ooh-wee. Man. Come on, Bitcoin. Push. Push you, Nambe Pambe. Oh, man. Again. Is it coming for us? Is it coming for us again? Bitcoin, baby. Bitcoin's pretty wild this morning. Not giving it to us. It doesn't want to give it to us. VWAP hold. VWAP hold. Retest to VWAP. Push Bitcoin. Little retracement in here. Yeah. This looks like shit again. I guess we should be looking for shorts now, eh? Wow. Is it going to hold? Nah, it doesn't look like it's holding. Doesn't look like it's holding. Push, mofro. Push. Push up. Dang it. Dang it. Maybe we being too bullish this morning. A little bit too bullish. Gotta check myself. Got the nice move up. Coming back for this order block in here, maybe. When looking at this, I mean, we've created liquidity all throughout here. Pushing back right now, but that's why. Wow, it's holding. It's holding. Let's see. Created liquidity all throughout here. Very ugly liquidity, though. Very ugly. So, yeah, typically you do want to come back for these lows in here. You got a key level of support in here. So maybe I am getting a little bit too bullish. We did have our bear divs here on our 30-minute, right? Our bear divs in here. Push Bitcoin. I'm watching it on my other screen, just so you guys know. Bear divs didn't div, right? This thing did not break down. This bear divs didn't break down, really. This one didn't break down, really. Going back to this, look at that. Holding out. Holding out. Stupid price action, man. It holds out. It comes back to entry. It holds out. It comes back to entry. This is to be expected. Look at any of this price action. They don't want to let you. They don't want to let you get in, right? That's the thing. They want to wreck everyone. They want to make it difficult. Like I said, a lot of the time it's like you need to maybe even trade like this where you're giving yourself wiggle room. Like if you're convinced on the move, right? That's the thing. If you're convinced on the move, that's one thing. Right now, break even. I'm going to hold it. I think this can still go. It still looks strong. Okay, pushing. Come on, Bitcoin. Push you, namby pamby. Oh, man. Give me 76,400, baby. Give me 76,400. Up in here. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out with me. Mad love to every single one of you guys. Hopefully, you're all doing well. Can you check the 1 hour money flow? Absolutely, man. Absolutely. 1 hour money, honey. It's beautiful Friday, baby. So you do have a little bit of a downtrend here on money coming out. Okay. However, uptrend, right? Uptrend, very, very strong uptrend. So like right now, this thing is just, look at the money on the 2 hour though. This is disgusting. Green hour, green dot, 2 hour, 3 hour was red. Look at it now. Look at the 3 hour. It was red. Whee! Right up. VWAP crossover coming for the 3 hour. This looks bullish as okay. Mind my French. Right? Rounding on the momentum wave here. Market open. SPY continuing to push. How's the Dixie? Dumping a little bit. The NASDAQ rolled over and bounced. Okay, that's a good sign. Coming back for some liquidity. Bouncing here. Russell in a downtrend, rolling over a little bit. But nonetheless, this could break out from here. Bitcoin just bobbing around right now. Bobbing around. Doesn't know what it wants to do. Higher high, higher low. Coming back down. Reckon people getting long now. Reckon people getting long. Whew. I could have taken that off and been break even, man. It could have been break even. Now it's going to come back for me, man. Now it's coming back for me. Whew. Fighting on this VWAP, man. It's fighting. It's fighting. Higher term time frames looking okay. Okay. 12 hour looks nice and juicy as well. 12 hour pushing to the upside. VWAP rounding. Okay. 8 hour looking nice. Little bit of a red dot. Just starting to print though. Doesn't mean it's going to confirm yet. I might add to this trade. Think I'm going to add adding. Come on, Bitcoin. Do your thing. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. God bless you guys. No easy money given. Absolutely not. Never. It's never going to be easy, but it'll always be worth it. It'll always be worth it. If you figure it out, you make some money, you secure your profits. That's what it's all about. Not top liquidity and news give them reason to drop it. Detain 30-minute drop incoming. Let's see if we get that bounce. Pepe coin is pumping. Yeah, baby. Let's go, Pepe. Isn't that a triple bearish div? Like we said, we don't know if his stop loss is by entry. You're in from down here? Schaefer? What's going on, man? Good to see you, man. Flopping and groping, says Dave Digital. Some pretty nambe-pambe price action right now. Bull div on our 1 minute here. You got a bull div just now. On our 1 minute bull divs. Are we going to go off of 1 minute bull divs here? Push Bitcoin. Sheesh. Maybe it's because I got the Rudolph nose this morning and it doesn't want to give it to me. Doesn't want to give it to me. Maybe I should have taken it off up here. Would have been break even for this morning. Maybe I'm being a bit greedy. Maybe I'm being a bit greedy. Look at this range, man. Nasty range. Trapping traders. That's what this is doing. All in here is trap traders. That's all this is. Trap traders. And I'm one of them. I'm one of them. Not trading the buns, Alex. Not trading the buns. I'm part of the hot dog crew today, guys. I'm part of the hot dog crew today. It's not, not doing it. Not doing it right. Not doing it right. What can you do? What can you do? We're here trying our best, man. We're here trying our best every day. Traders helping traders. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. We go live Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. Today is Friday. How are we all doing? Are you guys having a good Friday? Price action doesn't want to behave today. We are hanging out in the hot dog zone. Expecting a lower low, says Damien. Maybe you guys are counter trading me. Maybe that's why you're all here. You're all short. You're all short. That's where it all starts. Well, on the 1 second is where it all starts. Let's go. Let's go, man. When to add more to spot. That is totally up to you, my friend. These next couple of weeks will be explosive, and that's just the beginning. I agree. I agree. Crypto is volatile. It is fun. But right now, it's not behaving itself. It's not behaving itself. Thank you, everybody, for being here. I appreciate you guys supporting the channel. We're trying our best every single day coming on here, trying to give you guys the setups and the ideas. We're never, ever going to be perfect. That is not trading. Trading is probabilities and managing risk. We seem to do well in that category. We have been a profitable trader since, well, full-time profitable, went profitable in like 10 months, and then full-time since August of last year. So that's it, right? I mean, what else can you do? You try to teach what you've learned. You try to manage your risk. And sometimes this happens. That's just the nature of the game. Coming for the lows here, baby. Getting everybody a little bit bullish this morning. I think the psychology was a factor today where we saw the initial pump. We should have understood that they're trapping longs. They trapped me. I was a victim of the trap this morning. And now we're looking for, either this thing pops up from here and continues or, we're wrong. And that's okay. you have to have invalidations. You have to manage your risk, right? So this is only a small little, 0.5% drawdown, right? You should have, if we're targeting, and this is typically me, as I'm typically targeting a 1% move. So a 1% move would be up to here. Just by the way I mark it out. There you go. There's your 1% move. Actually pretty accurate. Okay, so that's justifiable as long as you have your risk managed, okay? And that's going to be the way we do it over here. It's been a crazy week. We've had a lot of successful trades in the Discord, a lot of good things. And we'll continue to try and show up for you guys and support you guys on your trading journeys. Right now, this is not looking good. Okay, going to cut this out. Yeah, that's it. Bang, done. Okay, big aggressive liquidity grab. Looking for 75,600. We'll see if we do get it. Coming down, down, down. What a sweep of the lows coming in. Big old elevator down. Make sure you guys are protecting your downside, okay? Want to make sure that you're being safe here. Big rollover for Bitcoin. Squeezing out some of these longs, okay? Not letting everybody enjoy the gains. Maybe, just maybe, this could be the sweep of the lows that you are looking for. I'm going to reset, readjust, get back to the charts, get back on the horse. The best thing you can do is start getting back to trading. Maybe take a little stab when we get down here into our box and hopefully take advantage of some price action. We'll see how it goes. But thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. It's been a wild, wild day. Those who got short, congratulations. Congratulations. Mad love to every single one of you. We take the knocks as we take the wins, right? We try to have a good spirit. We don't beat ourselves up. We try to be positive all the time. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. I really do appreciate your support and you guys hanging out with me. It's not a Friday for me today, so we're just chilling. We'll get back on the horse and go and hopefully scalp some money. Not going to revenge trade. We're just going to set some more traps and hopefully take advantage of that. Mad love to you guys. It's been a doozy of a week. I'll blame the Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, but hopefully we can help you guys next week. And if you are new here, come and subscribe. Join us in the Discord, all that good stuff. We'll be crushing trades over the weekend too. So we'd love to have you over there. Come and say hello. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. And I will see you guys later. Take care. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves that flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. 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 exotic base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.